Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it is all about this beauty. It's called a tomato halo and we'll show you everything you need to do step by step how to fit it. Now here we go, it's all about the tomato halo and how we actually get these in the ground. We'll go through it step by step and just follow along. It's very easy, but get it right. So space them out however you want them, and there's about 6 inches in between mine, just for reference. And I want to mark the soil and then dig around just a little bit and put the soil back. That will do. And the reason I've gone in about an inch, very simple really. When it gets very hot in the summer, the polytunnel will absolutely be boiling, and any water you put on the surface, it just bounces straight off. So the moisture is always around an inch deep. If I plant this thing an inch deep to start with, the moisture gets below that hardened crust layer first, straight into the roots of a tomato plant. So we want to remove this, and this is simply for any cane supports you put through. So you can put 3 canes on your plant in here and then put at the top this little support, and then take our beautiful little tomato plant. And this is a super stake, so this is a beef variety plant. Check it fits, see sort of what gap you'll get when you put it into that depth. Now I want to plant this pretty deep. I want to go to this lower leaf. So I'll put it in and I'll know that is about an inch off the surface of this. So when I take it out of the pot, I want to fill to about an inch below that line. So let's do that now. You see that has a nice root system on it, not too tangled, just perfect how we want it. So that will go in. And the reason I plant it deep is all these furry parts on the stem, they'll grow roots, and the more roots the plants have, the more nutrients it can suck up, basically, giving you a much better harvest. So we take our compost and we gently fill around. You'll be surprised, it does take up quite a lot of compost, and you will get it in the bottom. Keep going. Then we'll put some water into the centre. And that compost will find its level. We'll go down a little bit. Then just add a little bit more. And that is ready to go. And then just to finish off, if we move this strawberry plant out of the way for a minute, we've got our cane in nice and firm, and we'll tie it around our hanging basket supports. Use whatever you can. That'll do nicely. And once the tomato grows up to about this height, we'll cut the leading stem, and then it'll bush out and produce more fruits, which is what we want. As you can see guys, that was super simple and a very nice job well done indeed. And I wish you the very best success with your tomato harvest or your pepper harvest. If this is something you like and you want to follow along throughout the season, hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.